Hey guys, welcome back to Coin Knowledge. Today we're going to be taking a look at Safuu, which is a Titano fork over on the Binance network. Now this project's been around for a little bit. I want to wait and try to let it play out for a little bit before reviewing it. And real fast before we get forward, if you guys are liking these videos or like crypto passive income, hit the subscribe button below. That really supports the channel. And yeah, these videos are going to keep on coming. So let's get back to Safuu. So Safuu is again the highest paying auto staking and auto compounding protocol. And what that is that with Safuu and these Titano forks, all you have to do is buy their native token and just hold it in your wallet, and it will automatically auto stake, auto compound 24/7 without you having to do anything. It's completely passive. You just have to buy and hold their token. So if you see here, you can see at the time of this recording, highest fixed APY in crypto for an APY of 383,000%. Yes, that's correct. You see it correctly. That is the APY right now. Now, that does sound amazing, but again, you're always relying on the native token's price to stay consistent. If not, just not completely dump, which we'll get into in a little bit. So they have low risk and their interest is paid out every 15 minutes, 96 times a day. So if we see here, we can go down. So Safuu auto staking protocol about, and they make sure to show off the APY a lot, which they should. It really is like the highest one. So they tell you, just as an example, and nothing at all to base any of this off of, just for an example, if everything was to stay consistent, which it's crypto, nothing ever will stay consistent. If you put $1,000 in after a year, you have over $3 million. That's what they're kind of saying. But how it works is that, so again, you have their native token, Safuu, the Safuu token, which that's what you buy, that's what you hold in your wallet, and every 15 minutes you're going to get 0.02355% on your money. Every 15 minutes it just goes right back into your wallet. So let's say you have one Safuu, you're going to continuously see that one Safuu grow that token amount, and of course a dollar amount that follows, so auto compounding. And you can get Safuu Insurance Fund, Safuu Treasury, the Fire Pit, which we'll see when we get into their app. So 2.5% of all Safuu traded are burnt in the fire pit. Then they have a Discord, which I recommend getting into always on these projects. Then their insurance, again, the fire pit. And then their tokenomics, so their slippage rate that you can see here. The treasury, fire pit again. And this is a cool thing, is that it actually compares itself, Safuu, to like Titano and Libero. So APY, again, almost like triple, quadruple what Titano is, and their fees are pretty about the same. Automatic burn, sustainable, insurance, auto staking, they're all auto staking, but it is huge. Like they do so much that they've improved on. That's what I like about these forks of other projects, is that they take what the original project did, like Titano, for example, and they improve on it. That's why I always support forks of any project. So if you want to get started, we can open the app. It'll take you into the Safuu app right here. And the first thing you want to do is you can actually buy Safuu. So if you hover over Safuu, you either add it to your wallet or you can press buy on Bog Swap. So Bog Swap is just a DEX aggravator to make sure you get, it'll set the slippage to what you need it to, and you just spend BNB. It'll load Safuu in automatically, and you just put whatever BNB you want, and to get whatever Safuu amount comes out of it, and that's what you'll buy for Safuu. And if you see here, the current price at the time of this recording for Safuu, for one Safuu token, is $55 right now, with a market cap of 70,000 or 70 million, sorry. And it is kind of on a dip right now, as with the whole market currently, but Safuu is dipping currently. So you see here and see how much has been burnt in the fire pit. So once you buy Safuu and keep it in your account, you go to account, it'll show how much Safuu you have. I've wasn't Safuu, but I actually did sell my Safuu. Just at this moment, I just needed it for other stuff, but I still wanted to review it. So your balance right here, the APY, and it will show how much you're going to be earning, on the rebases and current Safuu price, your ROI that you can expect. If you go to the calculator, and again, this doesn't really ever stay consistent, but if we go just for an example, like let's like $18, say put $1,000 in after 30 days. If everything stays consistent, which it doesn't, like say if it was just 4 times the price a little while ago, but now it's $55, you can almost double your money every month. But again, nothing stays consistent in crypto at all. So again, if you hit swap, it'll take you to the bog dex. But if you go to the coin market cap, I can show you guys. So again, right now about $54, $55. Go look at their all chart. You can see that they launched about the beginning of March, and they got all the way up to about $300, and then they kept, stable at around 200, 180 around there. And then very recently they did just dip quite a bit, but again, as everything today, with Bitcoin kind of taking a dive as well, and it is on the Binance network. If you're looking at where to buy it, other than the Bog Dex, you can get it on PancakeSwap. It's just if you use the Bog Dex aggravator, it sets everything like a slippage and everything for you. So I just use that the whole time. And then if you look into their white paper, it can show you Safuu stands for Sustainable Asset Fund for Universal Users. And it just explains to you, how does Safuu work, how does auto staking work. Again, you just buy the token. Long story short, you just buy the token, keep it in your wallet. That's it. It will automatically do the rest. It will gain the interest on its own. You don't have to do anything. It'll just do it all on its own in the background. Don't worry about it. Long story short, I mean, obviously, you can go on the white paper, read it. It's extensive. It shows a lot here, and I recommend it into any project you get into. Read the white paper. You can see their roadmap year 2022 or 2022, and they've already checked a lot of the boxes off. And then their market share, they want to get to certain market cap goals, and there is talks of them building a Safuu blockchain down the road, which if they do, congrats. They're having a racing team, Safuu Air, Safuu headquarters. Like they have such major ideas and plans further down the way for their roadmap. Now, again, if as long as they can deliver on these plans and ideas, that's going to be the key element. Is that as long as they can deliver, because every team can promise a roadmap, promise, hey, we're going to do this, 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 and this to make it sustainable, but you have to, follow the team, get on their Twitter, get on their Discord, do your own research. None of this is financial advice. I'm just giving you guys my opinion on Safuu project as a whole and just bringing it to your attention. But yeah, guys, that is Safuu Finance or just Safuu, just a high auto staking or auto compound protocol, a Titano fork on the Binance network that I wanted to be brought to your attention. And again, do your own research on them, see if it's a project that would fit your criteria for your portfolio. And otherwise, let me know in the comments below if you liked this video, if you like these kind of DeFi projects that we're doing here, or if you have other projects you want me to review that I'm missing out on, let me know and I will. And if you can like the video, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Otherwise, I will catch you guys in the next one. All right. See you guys.